In this video, we are going to Bella Sky. Actually, almost to the sky, as we are staying at floor 16 in room 1631. So let's have a look. Well, welcome to room 1631 here at Bella Sky Hotel. We were at the 16th floor. The number gave it away. You need to remember to insert your card to get some power. Now we are starting here with some fancy stuff where you actually can press a button if you want housekeeping, you want to sleep, or you want some food, and then a light will turn up outside your door. You also have some light controls here for your room, so you can switch on and turn off light. A climate control on 19 degrees, maybe that's a little cold, let's put it a little bit up. And a fire alarm, if you have seen a fire. Actually, when you come in, you have all these closets. So let's start from one end, nothing there. Here you got coffee maker, you got teapots and so on. So if you like coffee, also a little mirror, and man the mirror, not included. Then there was the light switches. We have a little larger here. We actually have a safe. No money in the safe, unfortunately. And we have a refrigerator. It's my stuff in the refrigerator, but it's empty. It is a, old refrigerator from something you could buy in the room, but now it's just for your use. I hope, otherwise I'm gonna pay for your own stuff. Then you have a big closet here. We have some space in the top, and you have some ironing board and an iron, and some hangers if you would like to hang something up. There's a mirror, there's some place for your luggage. My luggage is already there. There is a little pillow you can sit on to put on your shoes. And actually we got some drawers down here. One empty and one actually a little bit interesting. First time I've seen that in Denmark. There's not even not just the Bible. There's actually also the Book of Mormons. That's very rare when you're out of Utah. And there's do not disturb sign, some laundry and hair dryer and so on in this drawer. So everything you might need. Then we have the bed. This is a, I think they said it was queen size on the listing, but very small queen size. I would call it a double bed. There's a little nightstand with some free water. We like free water in the room. There's some light, there's some power circuits, some light over the bed. A bed, let's see how good it is. It's okay. It's soft, not too soft, for my liking. 4 pillows, 2 blankets, and to keep you warm. There's of course a TV, normal Danish channels. There are some online services that you can log on. Netflix, YouTube Music, Viaplay, it's a Danish service, and so on. There's a little phone, a little block, and some information. There's the chair where you can look at the one who is sleeping. Never understood the meaning of a chair there. There's a little nightstand on the other side of the bed, and the other side of the bed don't have a normal plug but has a mini USB and a USB, and of course a little one to turn it on and off the bed. There are some more power hidden down here, so it's actually lots of power. There's a garbage disposal, for one for paper, one for plastic, and one for everything else. When I travel, I almost always just use anything else, because sometimes it's very difficult to pick the right one on a hotel and it's small garbage cans. A little place where you can hang your coat if you like to. The big mirror, don't know if I told you, remember, man the mirror, not included. And if we are in luck, we have a bathroom. And we do. There is a toilet, there is a little garbage can. That one's bigger, so maybe use that. Some towels, small towels under the sink, some glass under the sink, and some tissues and a vanity kit. There's a little sink, there's some hand soap, some body milk, and a funny little way to turn on and off the water. And there's a light in the mirror, and there's another mirror, and there is a lot of towels in the shower. That's a very fun place to hang all the showers, all the towels, because all the showers, they will get wet when you take a shower. And it's a little bit funny because when I first saw the shower, I thought, okay, they got me a midget room, because there is nowhere to hang the shower head up, only down. So yeah, but there is a rain shower in the top, so it's probably why. And I don't think they make midget rooms, or little people as they are called now. There are some shampoo, some conditioner, and some shower gel. And in all other ways, a normal Danish bath. What's not normal is there's no shower head hanger here, but there's a rain shower, so everything will be fine. Well, let's have a look at the view. We are on the 16th floor. We are heading south, and we can see, we actually, which we just take the fun thing first here. You see there's this big curtain, but behind the big curtain, nothing. Just like the room we had without windows. But we have a little window here. I think every room is actually like this. What we can see right below us, it's what's called Bella Center. It's a big convention center in Denmark. I think it's the biggest one. You can see Ørestaden. You can see, maybe on the video, you can see Tornby Water Tower. You can see what's called the West Amager. There's a golf course, and there's a big nature area. And I wouldn't call it Copenhagen, but you can see the Øre power plant and so on. Yeah. And if you look very good also over here, you can actually see Copenhagen Airport. So you can actually take the metro directly from Copenhagen Airport to this hotel. It will take like 5-10 minutes, and then you will walk 5 minutes, and then you'll be here. Then the metro is running, same line is running to the central of Copenhagen. So you can actually just stay at this hotel and attack Copenhagen. You don't even need to rent a car if you're just in Denmark for Copenhagen. Otherwise, you can go to Copenhagen Central Station, have to change metro, but you can go to Copenhagen Central Station and take a train to the rest of Denmark, or yeah, rest of the world, Germany, Prague, whenever you would like to go in Europe. Yes, we'll have a look again at night and see how it's actually is. We also have a Royal Arena. It's a big arena where many concerts are held, and also in walking distance. And here it is, the night view. You can even see a plane. Maybe you can see it on the video, I don't know. But you can see the airport over there. Oh, it's very hard to see the airport, I think. Oh, let's see if I can cover this up. so you don't have all the lights. And then we have a Rørværket power plant, power and heating plant, I think it is. Yeah, but this is what we call Ørestaden at night. Well, it was a nice stay at Bella Sky. I was only there for one night, but I can highly recommend this hotel. You can walk to the metro, so you can actually take the train into Copenhagen and don't need a car. And you can take a train to the airport, so actually you don't need a car to see Copenhagen. I got a link down under to get your good price. And remember, likes and subscribe.